Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours also pray for me. I hope you are watching my latest video. So cause the wait is over, today I bring some special beautiful crochet dog sweater ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, different designing, mind-blowing ideas, fabulous crocheting work, most demanding crochet collection. Some are simple and some are beautiful button-up style crochet flower ideas, different shapes, different designing, different colors. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, hooded style, very nice. Beautiful and different neck design, sleeve design, very nice, beautiful contrast. This is a beautiful pattern for your sweet pet animal, dog, crochet dog sweater. Very nice. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Good mint section. Very nice. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me.